In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Printify in Australia to create and sell custom products. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First off, Printify is a print-on-demand service that allows you to create a variety of custom products, ranging from t-shirts to phone cases, all without having to hold any physical inventory. This is especially handy for businesses or individuals in Australia looking to get started with e-commerce without a huge upfront cost. The first step is to visit Printify's website. You'll want to create an account if you haven't done so already. It's a straightforward process. Just click on the Sign Up button and fill in your details. Or you can even sign up using your Google or Facebook account if that's easier for you. Once you've set up your account, take a moment to navigate around the platform. Familiarize yourself with the design tools and the product catalog. You'll see a wide range of items available for customization, everything from clothing and accessories to home decor and more. Next, let's talk about choosing your first product. Say you want to create a custom t-shirt. Start by selecting the type of t-shirt you'd like to design. Printify offers various styles, so pick one that fits your vision. Once you've chosen your t-shirt, you'll be directed to the design interface. Here's where the fun really begins. You can upload your own designs or use Printify's pre-existing graphics to help customize your product. If you're uploading your own designs, make sure they're high-resolution images, ideally in PNG or JPEG format. Once your design is uploaded, position it on the shirt and adjust the size as needed until you're happy with the final look. After you're satisfied with your design, it's time to move on to the next step, setting your pricing. Printify will give you a base price for the t-shirt, and then you need to decide how much to mark it up. Remember, when setting your price, consider your target audience and what they would be willing to pay. It's a balancing act, but finding the sweet spot is crucial for your sales. Now that you have your product designed and priced, it's time to integrate your Printify store with an e-commerce platform. Printify easily integrates with popular sites like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. If you're using Shopify, for example, you'd go to the Shopify App Store, find Printify, and install the app. Once this is done, just follow the prompts to connect your Printify account to your Shopify store. Once your accounts are linked, you can easily publish the products you've created directly to your e-commerce store. Just click the Publish button and it's ready to go. Don't forget to write catchy product descriptions to attract your customers. Images and descriptions are key to making your product stand out. While you're at it, consider online marketing strategies to promote your new store. Social media ads can be a great way to reach more customers. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram are excellent for showcasing your products visually. Try posting some behind-the-scenes content. This can help engage your audience and create a connection with your brand. Also, don't sleep on SEO. Optimize your product pages with relevant keywords so that potential customers can find your products when they search online. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you identify keywords that your audience is searching for. Finally, keep an eye on your order fulfillment. Printify handles the printing and shipping for you, which is a big perk. Just monitor the process and stay in touch with your customers. If there's any issue or delay, communicating with your consumers goes a long way in building trust in your business. And there you have it. A simple guide on how to use Printify in Australia to set up your own custom product e-commerce store. I hope you found this information helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Happy designing and